Hey there, I'm Priyam, and I run a couple of software companies on the internet from VidAI, this is a SaaS, TubeMagic, and an iOS app, and a couple others too, but these are the most popular ones with thousands of users. And I always wanted to have a very simple feed of being able to see what's going on in my app. So for example, here, as you can see, this is Logs.so. And what's going on here is basically we have created a dummy workspace that is pretending to be the popular app, Kali. And if you were the owner of Kali, this is what you would see if you signed up for Logs.so and set things up. So here, first thing as you can see in the feed is these logs that are constantly going on. And you can click on either of these and see details, whatever you would want it to log. So for example, it just says it took a picture of pizza, margarita, 2 slices for dinner, which is maybe what the user would have done. You can also have logged the image here. That's what your privacy policy says, if that is something you make the users agree to. So yeah, that's the basic concept here. And there are other tools out there. Like there are so many good tools for tracking, let's say, page views and stuff, even for events. But none of those tools are as simple as what I wanted to create here. And you have different channels for different things. So this is like specific for errors, subscriptions, and all that stuff. So this is like Slack or Discord. And a lot of people do use Slack and Discord for logging things within their software. I have done that too, only until I realized that those softwares are really bad for with rate limits. So we had thousands of users on VidAI, and people, we were logging everything to Discord until we realized there were so many missed logs because Discord was rate limiting us. So this is the solution. You can basically just, it's a very simple setup. Your developer or you, if you know how to code, you can do this in like 10-20 minutes, especially with the availability of tools like Claude Code and GPT and all that stuff. You also can set up notifications to certain kind of logs. So you can add rules. If there's a specific keyword, it can just notify you on your phone. And speaking of phone, we also have a mobile app here, which you can just download, and it's going to show you the exact same thing, which you just saw on my desktop. The reason why I'm showing you a dummy account here is because these are emails and stuff, so I don't want you to show actual company logs in a VSL like this right now. So yeah, you can add in people, there's a light mode too, if you're into that. And yeah, that is it. And this has helped us so much in understanding what's going on in the product, what are people actually using, which also brings me to analytics. There is a dashboard here in which you can basically see who are your most power users, what are people actually using the most in your app. So you can just go to list here, last 7 days, this month. So we only have 1 day of data because I'm showing you a dummy dashboard here. But yeah, you can see a lot of things here. And we're still very new. We're taking in feedback, whatever you want to see, we'll just add it. And so yeah, that's all. Thank you for checking this out, and hope you have a nice day.